So in today's vlog, we're starting off with some nail mail. The first package I'm opening up is from Sticker Mule. I just got some new So Precious labels. This time I went with pink instead of white, which I love the pink so much better. And yeah, I always use Sticker Mule for all of my stickers and labels and custom tape. All my custom packaging usually comes from Sticker Mule, so love y'all. My next thing is from Amazon. It is a watercolor palette, and I used this later on in the video to make my own DIY gel palette, which I have been obsessed with, and it was a fun little DIY project. So the next thing that I'm opening up is also from Amazon. I got some polygel brushes, which I use the spatula end to scoop the gel products into those little white squares. So I also use this in the video. It came in handy when creating my DIY palette. Next thing I'm opening up is this press-on nail stand that comes with a little palette underneath. The press-on nail stands, hated them. They look like checkers, or no, they look like chess pieces, and they just did not, my press-on nails did not sit well on top of it, but the palette, great, love her. Next, I had these pink lint-free wipes, which are great. I usually use paper towel to wipe down my nails, but the lint-free wipes work so much better, and I don't know why I haven't been using them before, so there's that. Next, what's next on the list? Sweetie Nail Supply. I love Sweetie Nail Supply, and they have such fast shipping. So Sweetie Nail Supply has been taking all my money lately, and they really snatched my money with this one because I got this these paint gels from D-Gel and Ginny. It was like $160, but it's so worth it. I also got this crazy top coat, which is great for 3D nail art. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and TikTok, so I had to, get me some. But yeah, this is the paint gel that I was talking about, and it's so high quality, and it's gonna come in handy when I start doing more cartoon work on my nails, which is what I want to get into this year. But yeah, love the colors, love the packaging. Mwah. It was expensive, but worth every dime, and I can't wait to play around with this on camera for y'all. So anyways, that was all my nail mail. So it's a new day. I'm gonna be prepping my packaging boxes, the little containers they ship my press-on nails in. I'm gonna be adding the labels and the double-sided tape onto them just so that they're ready for when all my nails are done, so I can easily add my nails in and ship them out. And then after that, I'm gonna get started on my nails. I think today I'm going to be watching Sex and the City while I do my nails. All the hot girlies are talking about it, and I've never seen Sex and the City. I'm really bad at watching TV shows. I just don't really have the attention span for it. But it's easier to kind of watch them when I'm getting nails done because it's like multitasking. So I wanna see what all of the hype is about. So I'm gonna get into Sex and the City today. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna get started with is prepping my press-on nail packages. So here's my handy dandy closet. It's always packed with so much stuff. I have a bunch of my boxes here, like different sizes and stuff. And up here I have like more packaging things, and I think I'll do like an in-depth office tour another day. But it always feels chaotic to me. No matter how much I organize it, it's just so much stuff. And then I even have stuff at the top too. It just always feels chaotic, but this is the best I can do. Like, I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with these. These are like what the boxes or what the containers look like when I first get them. And then I just add my label and the double-sided tape to them so that they're ready to go when my nails are done. I also think I'm gonna do some application kits too while I'm here. And if I'm feeling really sexy, I'll do sizing kits as well. So we'll see. I'm putting on my little waist trainer. It's really a back brace because I have scoliosis, but it looks like a waist trainer. I like to pretend that it actually snatches my waist. It really helps when I'm sitting here doing my nails, so I'm not like, I don't know, my posture just sucks. Again, I have scoliosis, so it just kind of helps keep me a little bit more upright. And again, maybe it snatches a couple inches off me too while I'm at it. So I have all my little supplies. I have my double-sided tape, my containers, my So Precious labels. So that's everything for my nails. And then these are mini buffers and then mini nail files. I got these new nail files. My old ones were just, I feel like they were so flimsy. So these seem like they have a little bit more sturdy to them. And I feel like they have better grit as well. They're very similar, if not exact, to the ones that I actually use. So I feel like the quality is better, and everything with So Precious is about quality. So I'm adding these to my application kits now. And then I have my little plastic film or whatever they're called. So I'm about to turn on Sex and the City and we're gonna get started. hard with my workspace is the fact that I do everything here, you know, as you can see. I have my monitor, that's my work laptop. I have a printer, like there's just so much going on. And I have my keyboard up there. My pegboard's a mess, so don't look at it. Do not look at it. But it's just kind of hard. Like, I'm always moving stuff around. I'm grateful to even have an office space in the first place. So, you know, of course, it's a privilege and I'm grateful for that. But I don't know, maybe I'm a little greedy, but I can't wait for the day that I have my office space. I can't wait for the day that I have my office space for like 9 to 5 work or just any type of office computer work, and then like a nail studio where I can actually just paint and do all of that. Because going back and forth between the two, oh my gosh, it is a lot. I have all these cords and stuff. I'm trying to find my cord for my lamp. Also, oh my gosh, Sex and the City is so fun. Where have y'all, like, why did I not get this? Why didn't I get on this sooner? Like, why didn't nobody tell me? Oh my goodness, I've been enjoying it. I'm on episode 3. It's so easy and fun to watch. It's definitely my type of television. I love, like, I don't know, girly girl, just having fun, going throughout life. I don't like very intense television with people dying and all that. Life is stressful enough. I like to escape through my media, not be stressed out. I don't know why people like very intense, gory, very thick plots. I just want to have fun. Like, whatever happened to having fun? So I'm really enjoying it. See, do you see what I have to do? Do you see what I have to do just to live? I've been so desperately trying to grab this and pull it up, and I keep losing it. And if you see all the cords I have under here, like, you see how I have to live my life? Okay. I have these little things that I'm supposed to be using and I forget. So really, it's my fault that I'm living like this. I should just attach them here so it's for easy access, but that would be too simple. Okay, so, and I would have nothing to complain about. All right, so let me plug these things in. All right, we're good to go. So, I have some nails sitting here that I was working on earlier today. I really want to get at least 2 orders out and shipped by tomorrow morning. I'm so behind. I'm so just, life is dragging me by the edges and I'm just trying to hang on. So if I can get these nails out by tomorrow, just these 2 orders, I'll feel accomplished. So let's get